Okay, this is part 2 of unboxing gym equipment. I got this off Amazon. Marcy Diamond Elite Olympic weightlifting bench. Pretty sweet. Already cracked it open. I didn't realize how long this was gonna take. Took like over an hour. 2. Got it at like 9 at night, 8 at night. Went hammer time. I sped this up because it was like I recorded the whole thing. So I'll enjoy it. Pretty sweet bench overall. Even the model down from it was fine. $100 less too. I just thought this was more free. The bench is separate from the squat rack, which is nice. Same night. Just thought I'd give her a shot. I felt the posts they're close together, so you always got close grip. It works though, nothing wrong with it. 30 pounds in total. Just grabbed it from the Walmart, Canadian Tire. Now I'm going home. Waiting for my bus. Showing a little work on the incline here. It's pretty good, got a lot of adjustments, 5 or 6 different angles. 235 plates, chrome that, with the leg extension too. Very nice, comes in handy very well. Kind of sucks, I had a few things I don't like about it being all one. But it works, man, it works. Another day. I just kind of want to record a little more, see how I progress, and just see videos, forms, stuff like that. Critique. PR. Felt good that day. For 3. Using the leg extension. Got the kettlebell on the end for a little extra weight. Got the other plates on the barbell. Works well. Even when doing using a squat rack, flipped it around so I'm not facing the wall. Feels good. Works well. Like I said, the hands are kind of in close, so that can not always be the greatest. Put a little more weight on. Just trying to focus on staying center, feet positioning, things like this. Watch a lot of YouTube, try to take as much information in as I can. Pretty much, I've had a good fucking time with it. Been working out every day since I've had it. We've been on lockdown in Canada for fucking going on 2 weeks now. Feels like forever. Who knows if we'll stay in it. Some more incline, I guess. Didn't feel as good. This was last night. Didn't feel that good. Hurt my shoulder back in August, so it's tough. Still recovering a bit.